everybody, we have some cruise news to share with you. We're out on our patio because
we had a cool front here in Texas, and it's the end of August, and we never get cool air in August.
No, so we thought we would do this video on the patio. So we have cruise news, and it's about the Harmony of the Seas. Okay, so we found out after we're done with our sailing that they're going to dry dock the Harmony of the Seas.
Correct.
And we wanted to give you some information on what they'll be doing on the Harmony of the Seas. But first, we wanted to tell you that the Harmony of the Seas was built in 2016, and it has roughly about 5,400 guests that can go on the ship.
Big ship.
Yeah, it's pretty big. And it will be dry docked for about a year. So we want to let you know some things that, the new things that they'll be adding to the ship.
Yeah. First, there will be a new pool deck bar called the Lime and the Coconut. And the Lime and the Coconut is similar on some other Royal Caribbean ships, so I'm excited about that. Really vibrant colors, cool pool bar to have. The next thing they're going to do is to refresh the adults only solarium.
Right now, the solarium is completely open, I hear, on top.
It is.
It is. We haven't sailed on the Harmony yet, but some of the solariums are closed. This one is actually open.
Right, right.
So, are they going to be refreshing it to close it in?
I'm not sure yet.
We don't know, but we're hoping that they will close it in and include a pool.
Yeah, include a pool, because there's not a pool on the solarium deck.
Yeah.
Also, they're going to add a El Loco Fresh. A lot of people like El Loco Fresh on the Royal Caribbean boats, ships. So that's exciting. Also, one of my favorites, and I wish they had it this weekend because of the big game between Texas and Ohio State, is the Playmakers Bar and Grill. And it's a sports bar, lots of TVs, lots of places where you can watch your favorite sports. So that's a great thing.
Yeah, we're looking forward to watching some football this weekend.
Right.
Opening season.
You know, we're in Texas, and football rules in Texas.
Yep,
so
Texas is football.
Another thing that I like is they're going to add a Samba Grill, which is a Brazilian steakhouse.
Oh, yeah.
Very similar to Texas Day Brazil that we have here, and a Brazilian steakhouse, if you've never been there, they bring around tons and tons of steak and different beef, chicken, all kinds of meats, and serve it to you as an all-you-can-eat. So I'm looking forward to that as well. So those are some of the things they'll do on the Harmony of the Seas. So once it gets back out in operation, there'll be plenty of things to do and see for sure.
And I'm excited about it. So we want to let you know some of the new changes on Harmony of the Sea. Have you traveled on Harmony of the Seas? Well, this will be our first sailing, so we'll let you know how it goes, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.